We're about to go home. Today is our last day here. Dad is checking out. We're going home. Now at Baguio Country Club, we're getting our gifts. The breads. Breads?
Breads, yes.
The bread.
Breads.
5 raisin, 5 banana, 5 cheese. Baguio Country Club. Baguio Country Club. Breakfast time! And let's go! What is that?
Waffles and pancakes. I put it together because that's the way I like it. And then fresh strawberry. Because, you know, you can never go wrong with strawberries.
Oh,
my
nice.
God. And also, strawberries contain a lot of citrus, and I need citrus right now because I'm not feeling well.
Get out of there. Get out of there.
But of course, you can never go wrong with the chocolate syrup. So where's the chocolate syrup?
This is me for breakfast. We have roughly 4 hours before we will arrive at Naiya in order to fly back to Cebu. We're still at the Baguio Country Club waiting for our breads. Our breads? Waiting for our bread. 15 pieces of bread. And I still don't feel so good. Stopping over at Shakey's. Our flights at... Oh, my hair. Our flight's at 7:30 later. It's 3:29 and we're stopping over at Shakey's for a quick break. We're going home to Cebu. Cebu. Sure. We're going home. Mother, Margie. Okay. Home. Marge is still in the toilet.